Welcome to our tutorial on how to show the sent label in Gmail on your PC. The sent label in Gmail allows you to easily access and manage your sent emails. If you want to show the sent label and have quick access to your sent emails, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the settings page. Step 4. On the settings page, click on Labels from the top menu. Step 5. Look for the Sent label, and next to it, click on Show. By showing the Sent label, you can easily find and manage your sent emails, keeping track of the conversations you've had. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more helpful tips and tricks for optimizing your Gmail usage, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.